See, I find it a bit gritty and a bit strangely sweet, but it's not bad. I gave some to my daughter without telling her what it was, and she ate the whole cone and said it was delicious. So I have 3 litres of mare's milk, 2 tablespoons of raw wildflower honey, fennel seeds, fennel pollen, and some pear skin. Meanwhile, I've got tapioca flour as a thickener. I'm just going to stir it into the unrefined sugar. So it's just reaching a simmer. I'm going to turn it off. This is all going to get strained out after putting it in the fridge overnight and then churning it in your ice cream machine tomorrow. This is what I call my ice cream shed in southeast London that I took over about 16 years ago. And I've been making specialist small batch ice creams in minimally processed natural way that follow the seasons, and then I sell them to shops around London. For me, sheep's milk is the perfect milk to use to make ice cream because it's really naturally high in protein, which gives the ice cream really good body. My son, he'll be trying this batch. He's only 4, but he has perfect taste buds. So we'll see what he says.